This video will explain myths versus reality of AI. First, we will see what is AI. AI means machines or software that can learn, think, or make decisions in a ways that feel like human intelligence. But it is important to know that much of what people believe about AI is based on myths, not facts. First myth is AI can think like humans. In reality, AI does not actually think. It follows rules, data, and patterns given by humans. For example, a chatbot does not understand feelings but can respond in a ways that seems natural. Second myth is AI will replace all jobs. In reality, AI can replace some repetitive tasks like data entry, but it also create new jobs like AI trainers, data analysts, and AI ethics experts. AI is more about helping humans to do the work faster, not fully replacing them. Third myth is AI is always correct. In reality, AI can make mistakes because it learns from data and data can be incomplete or biased. For example, if AI is trained on wrong information, it will give wrong answers. Fourth myth is AI will take over the world. In reality, AI does not have emotions, goals, or desires. It only does what humans program or instruct AI to do. Movies often exaggerate AI as dangerous robots, but in real, AI is just a tool created and controlled by humans. Fifth myth is AI is only for tech experts. In reality, today anyone can use AI tools like language translators, voice assistants, or image generators. You don't need to be a programmer to use AI in daily life. Sixth myth is AI is the same as robots. In reality, robots are machines, like hardware, while AI is the brain, like software. A robot may use AI, but AI can also exist in apps, phones, and websites without being inside a robot. Seventh myth is AI learns by itself without humans. In reality, humans still play a big role in creating, training, and updating AI. AI cannot exist or improve without human guidance. The truth about AI: AI is a powerful tool that makes life easier, like maps, online shopping recommendations, medical scans. AI is not a magic, it is based on data and algorithms. AI works best when used with humans, not against them. In short, AI is not a human. AI helps humans but does not replace them fully. AI can make mistakes, so we must use it wisely. AI is for everyone, not just for experts.